The Cyclo PRO Wolfgang Kit makes paint correction quick and easy. Whether you have a classic car with dull single-stage paint or a modern vehicle that's full of swirls and scratches, the Cyclo PRO Wolfgang Kit includes everything you need to restore the finish to like-new condition. The Cyclo Model 5 Pro is popular with beginners and professionals because it's a safe, powerful tool that is smooth and easy to handle. This tool is proudly manufactured in the USA, and you'll appreciate its build quality the first time you hold it in your hands. Wolfgang polishes are easy to use and provide a finish worthy of a show car. This simple two-step polishing system will have your paint looking better than it ever has. In addition to the Cyclo Polisher and Wolfgang polishes, this kit also includes the necessary Cyclo pads to use with each product, plus a couple of other must-have accessories, including foam pad cleaner and a handful of microfiber towels. The best part about the kit is the fact that you save up to 40% versus purchasing everything separately.